Okay, I'm just repeating for everyone um, the anatomy of the parrot, how we made the parrot today. Okay, so let's consider first the angles. So we have to make a circle which is straight in line, and we will make a oval which is slanting like this. Okay, so if you see, this is the circle. This is the circle, and now this is the oval. Okay, so straight and slanting. Now, how do we convert the circle and the oval into the parrot? So, what you have to do is, now I'm going to make the lines which you have to use to make the feather. So, this is the head, okay? Then we leave some space for the beak here, and from here I'm going to take this line outside, okay? We will not go inside or straight, we will go out like this. From here I'm going to take the body out like this. Okay, let's make the beak curved line, like this. Okay, this is the head. I will take this inside like this and then go outside like this. So I have not erased the circle and the oval so that you can see how we are using the circle and the oval to make the parrot. Okay, now once this is done, we will do the wings. So for the wings, what we have to do is we have to refer shape D. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm taking a little line here, okay, like this, and then I'm taking a slanting line out near to the circle only, and then let's go and make a D joining these two lines. So these are the wings. Okay, then the lower wings will go from here a little inside from here like this and go like this. Okay, so these shapes should be same, the curve, then the wings. Okay, now can you still see how this oval and circle is helping us to do the whole shapes? Okay, and the tail will again, this went a little inside, now the tail will come from a little inside from here. Okay, so like this the tail will go. Okay, the tail is almost equal to the body, and here we will add the feet which are like curved W's. Okay, so this is the structure of the parrot. Here you can add a little hairs, or the wings that are visible, and the eye is like this. Here inside you will make the eye. Okay, so this is the basic structure of the parrot. Now what you have to do is, in the last you have to erase these lines, the reference lines that we made. So erase these lines, the oval, the circle, and the lines you have to erase. Now wherever you want to correct, you want some corrections, you can make some corrections. I want the tummy to be a little more out, so I'm just making this to come out a bit more and just correcting these lines. Okay, so here we have a healthy looking parrot ready. For the branch, what we will do is just add a branch like this.